Hello and welcome to Daily News Analysis by Omid Siksha. Today is 25th of May 2023. And here is the list of news that we'll be covering today. Let's begin with the first one. That is the 76th World Health Assembly, which was held in Geneva. So our Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, had been addressing in the assembly, and his keynote address on Heal in India and Heal by India are based on One Earth, One Health, that is also our G20 vision, right, to serve the global community. Now, he mentioned about India's contribution to the medical system, not only now, but from ancient times as well. That is, India is home to world's oldest medical system, that is Ayurveda, right? And he, in the modern times, following the India's G20 presidency philosophy, that is one earth, one family, one future, he has stated that India has prioritized health emergencies, prevention, preparedness, and response with focus on One Health and antimicrobial resistance. He also talked about the healthcare ecosystem in India, which is going towards a resilient system by announcing of the Ayushman Bharat initiative, that is to cover all aspects of humanity or all aspects of healthcare. Then this is he also mentioned about the world's largest government funded insurance scheme, that is Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, which was launched in 2018, and so far 1.5 lakhs Ayushman Bharat health and wellness centers have been delivering the comprehensive primary healthcare services in India, right? And he also talked about the Ayushman Bharat digital mission, that is to bridge the gap between stakeholders of the healthcare ecosystem through the use of technology. Then he also talked about during the pandemic, when India achieved an unimaginable pace of COVID vaccination with more than 2.2 billion doses administered in India, and that was also shared with the world, right, through the Vaccine Maitri initiative. Now, the key words that you have to focus is, for example, Vaccine Maitri initiative. This is one. You just have to go through once. Then the schemes that I have talked, or it's written here, with the schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, all those, you keep a note at the site and just mention all these names in your revision notes, so that when you go through the current affairs later on for next year, you can quickly browse through these schemes. Then AIRAWAT, which is a supercomputer installed at CDAC Pune, has been ranked 75th in the world. Okay, and it was declared in the 61st edition of Top 500 Global Supercomputing list at the International Supercomputing Conference in Germany. And with this, it puts India on top of AI supercomputing nations worldwide. And this system was installed under the National Program on AI, that was by Government of India. What does AIRAWAT stands for? AIRAWAT is AI Research Analytics and Knowledge Dissemination Platform. Okay. Now, this is with this ranking, since I have mentioned that India ranks in the world in supercomputing, right? So AIRAWAT is under the Atma Bharat initiative, that is the self-development of Indian government's philosophy, and this will empower the academia, research labs, scientific community, industry, and startups to develop indigenous AI-enabled products and solutions. Okay, and this, as I have mentioned, this is under National Program on AI. And This supercomputer is also beneficial for Digital India Bhasini program of the government. Bhasini program is the government's language translation initiative, because India is home to many languages. So this AI has also been working on Bhasini program. Now again, I keep mentioning the keywords. That is, one is Bhasini program, one is AIRAWAT particularly, right? So all those keep it in your mind. Then the news on INSV Tarini. Now INSV Tarini is a sailboat. This is the second sailboat of Indian Navy. Okay, it was launched or inaugurated on 2017, right? It had been on a journey that is of 7,000 nautical miles trans-ocean intercontinental voyage for 188 days, right? So 6 crew members were there, and in the 6 crew members, 2 were female crew. And this historic voyage was from Goa to Rio de Janeiro via Cape Town in South Africa and back, right? So it has reached Goa again. This news, since on Sunday, that is on coming Sunday, May 28, there will be the inauguration of the new parliament, right, by the Prime Minister. Now, we won't go into the politics, who is opposing what, why, we won't go. But important thing that we can take from this news is the cultural point of view, the art and cultural point of view. That is the Sengol, which is a historical scepter. You can see in the picture, right? And this is from the Chola dynasty. So this scepter was originally used by Chola kings to, transfer powers to a new king. For example, if someone becomes a new king, this scepter was passed. Similarly, this scepter was passed to Jawaharlal Nehru by the British in 1947, signifying or representing transfer of power. But it was kept in the museum in Allahabad. Now this will be installed in the new parliament building, and this is to show that there has been transfer of power. The same feeling what Nehru felt on August 14, 1947 will be felt here. Now Sengol is a word. This is a word derived from the Tamil word Semmai, meaning righteousness. Okay. And finally, from sports section, the 3rd edition of Khelo India University Games will be inaugurated by our Prime Minister on 25th May, that is today in the evening. And these games will see over 4,750 athletes from more than 200 universities who will be competing in 21 sports categories. Now mascot for this game is G2, and it represents the swamp deer or Barasingha, that is the state animal of UP. Where is it happening? The university games, it will be happening in UP, Uttar Pradesh, right? So it will be organized in Varanasi, Gorakhpur, Lucknow and Gautam Budh Nagar. Okay. So with this, we come to today's news analysis end, and do join our Telegram channel for all the courses updates and PDF and course materials. We have also been talking about our crash course that is going on our YouTube channel, so you can watch all those videos to revise and also to get some more insights into your preparations. Plus, we have our study circle that happens in the morning from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. that to help all those aspirants who are serious to have that one-on-one interaction and get tips like how we are giving in our analysis, small tips to improve their preparation as well, right? So thank you for joining this session. We'll see you soon.